Hey guys, today we are introducing Pixso, a powerful all-in-one, cloud-based UI/UX design platform built for modern designers and product teams. It combines design, prototyping, whiteboard brainstorming, real-time collaboration, AI-powered features, and developer handoff into a single workflow. With Pixso 2.0, the platform delivers faster performance, seamless Figma and Sketch compatibility, advanced design systems, and integrated AI design tools, making Pixso a high-value, affordable alternative to traditional design software. So if you want to experience the future of design, let's explore it with us. Open the Pixso app using the given link in the description. Go to Resource Community, then Design Material. Here, you can create designs using these templates without starting from scratch. You can search your design also. We'll search graphic design. We'll take this one for our design. First, we'll edit this landing page. Click on this copy icon, then open the file. Now, in this editor, you can edit everything from images to text as you desire. After editing, click on this play button to see the result. Now, we'll edit the website also. Let's try to change some text. You can replace images also. Just click on this image, then click on Select Image. Now, add your image. Change the text also. Similarly, you can change other sections. Now, we'll create custom button elements. For this, click on Shapes. Take a rectangle shape, drag and create your button. Now, we'll set the corner radius to 50 to make it round. Click on Color to change it. Go to Effects to add a shadow. Now, adjust its values in different parameters. Go to Text and add a text box. Type your button name. We'll choose the same font. Increase its font size. Make the alignment center. Make the style extra bold. Change its color to white. Now, place it on the button. You can copy the style preference of an existing element also. Just select the same type of element, right-click, and choose Copy Properties. Then paste it on the similar element to make it the same style. In this way, you can easily create consistent styling elements. Now, click on this icon to enter Developer Mode. Now, you'll get all CSS properties and values for any section, which can be used by developers easily. You can also get all CSS properties of each element. Here, we can see the gaps in pixel values of each element of the design section, which makes it much easier for developers to create the design precisely. Moreover, we can select the entire design and click on D2C to get the entire code. Now, we can download the full code with all sections and send it to the developer. In this way, you can easily create your web pages and send them to your developer for website creation. Click on the play button to see how it looks. In this way, you can easily fulfill all your UI/UX requirements in a minute. To explore more, check the link in the description. Click on Products, select AI Design. Pixso AI is an intelligent design assistant built into the Pixso platform that allows designers to generate UI layouts and high-fidelity design drafts using just a simple prompt. It helps automate repetitive tasks, boost creativity, and speed up the entire UI/UX design workflow. With seamless editing, collaboration, and developer handoff, Pixso AI makes modern design faster, smarter, and more efficient for teams. Click on Start with AI. You can just type your prompt to get your design instantly using AI. We'll try a prompt like, create a landing page for selling my books. Click on this arrow to get your design. Pixso AI instantly creates your page using its powerful AI technology. Here's the result. This design is also in a responsive format, which is perfectly optimized for mobile. You can get the code for your entire design and download it. Click here to edit your design. You can also edit your design using the Pixso Editor. Let's see the final snap. Click on Products, then Pixso Whiteboard. Click on Try for free. This is the all-in-one workspace for you. In this workspace, you can import components, save drafts, make designs favorite, and also explore community designs. Click on New Whiteboard file. You can create your design from scratch using these tools, or you can import pre-designed templates from here. We'll add this one. Now, you can edit everything here from text to layout and color, etc. You can also add extra branches easily. After completing the design, you can download it in different formats. In this way, Pixso Whiteboard helps designers and product managers gather inspiration, brainstorm ideas, and create early product sketches. Try it for free using given link. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.